presentation was supposed to give you little glimpses of what the annual is all about, so that you all get excited and go out and pick your copy. But now that the annual cover and at least the back cover is out, I'll try and show you some glimpses of it if the projector is on. This is an annual which INTAC chapter brings out every year, and it is released on this day, which is the World Heritage Day. And this particular annual is mostly dedicated to Faizuddin Saab, who has done some enormous amount of work, not only in India but abroad, and has brought laurel to the city of Hyderabad. It's very interesting that some of these works are so unique in their style and in their approach, that and he has the experience of working with some of the great masters of architecture around the world, including some who have worked with Le Corbusier, who designed Chandigarh. Obviously, you can see the glimpses of that genius in his work. And it's, as Anuradha was mentioning, it's rather sad that we are at a juncture where some of the buildings designed by him are proposed to be demolished and new creations have to be brought. And I think it's the time where all of us should stand up and start speaking about it and preserving the heritage of architecture, which is, though it's a creation of modern piece of architecture, but it is still the heritage of Hyderabad, and I think all of us should definitely protect it. This is the annual, which is dedicated to where he's being seen working on the plans of Bahawalpur, which is now in Pakistan. This is the master plan of that. We have on the banks of Musi River. I have put this first because this is where their ancestral home was, and because of the floods, the government decided to ask people to move away from it and acquire this part of land, and then finally it was used for some of the public buildings. And then this central library building came about there, which was his creation. Next. This is another very interesting, this is his own house. And what I particularly found as an architect was, the glimpses of genius you see in the detail is that arched entrance. The arch is made out of stone, and right on top of that there is a very thin layer of concrete band with little supports, and that through which you are able to see the villa. I mean, this is a very unique way of introducing your project when you are entering, and that's the actual bungalow inside. Next. These are some of his other creations which still stand today in Hyderabad, and of course some of them are in real bad condition, and the left one is still there without getting affected by the road widening, and we all hope that the metro which is passing right in front of it does not push it to be under the road widening for demolition or any such thing.